Hey, wait. Sup guys, Rocket here, and today I'm gonna be doing some Minecraft plus some servers and Hunger Games. So I will hop into the cave. First, do this and change your username something unique. Because if you copy someone's name and do not know his password or her password, then you need to do a unique name like Rocket Tarshir Tarshir not end. Just Rocket Tarshir. Don't copy this, guys. It would be so not me or be not awesome. Cause not awesome. Rocketer shear, stuff like that. So speed controls, no brightness. Guess I'll do that. The full. So sound volume, gonna turn that up a little bit. Stuff like that. So the play button and go to edit, and there's gonna be an external there. So want to put server name, live, boat, SG or HG, whatever you like to call it. It could be Hunger Games, survival games, or anything. So the IP address or the server address it's gonna be play.lbsg.net, and the port it's gonna be 19132. Then click the add server, then go to it. That's gonna be it, and wait for it to build the terrain like that. So I would register now. Register. So I don't want you to see my things. Wait, I just put that on. What the hell? Stop the settings of it. I'm gonna go back to my game. Some stuff. I don't want you to see it. So just putting my email address on. Yahoo.com and stuff. Next. Stand on glowstone. What? Stand on glowstone. There. Storm the break. Say hi to YouTube, everyone. Check it out. here. Check it out here. Oh God.
Ayan ba mga itsura? Ano ba itsura?
Say hi to YouTube.
Laura eh.
Everyone check the video here. Check the video here. It's Rocket Star here. And please sub cost sub to me first.
Sabi nga nung kasama ko.
Nababawa ba yung lasting dyan? Nababawa?
Oo, walang mga amoy. Walang mga amoy pa
Married almost 5.
Tsaka maano yung trabaho.
Your
Masipag.
channel name. What's your YouTube channel name? That's very nice. I could get my first sub or second sub or anything. He's the VIP one. I think he just
Madali pumunta yung mga vlog.
ding.
Madali maharap yung mga vlog.
Kasi open na ano, ate ka. Open sa kanila. Meron silang battery.
Say hi to YouTube, everyone. YouTube, everyone.
Presidente ng Africa dati nung si Mandela.
Say hi to YouTube, everyone.
Kaya binigyan sila ng priority at dati ng
Today, I'm gonna be doing some Hunger Games in the LBSG server. As you can see there, it's the LBSG, and it's a Christmas theme or Christmas lobby Hunger Games, and you can get to Santa's workshop. Very nice. Some parkour here, and some what's this? You can parkour here in the Santa's workshop. I think let me see what I'm doing. It's been 8 minutes left. Oh God. I guess I'm making 12 minutes, anything like that. I'm gonna do some parkour. If I can do this, then I would be a pro. Not really. Damn, I do it. What this sign said. This spot is super secret. Oh God, that super secret is it. I'll break that glass there. This super secret. I died. He was invisible. Me too. Invisible? Let's comment there. Nice grammar. Grammar, man.
Nagabalita.
Nice grammar, man. This guy's breaking the wood. He thinks he can break it. The hell? They're doing the parkour there. What the? Let's join some stuff here. We got some. There's some tin here. You see? I join here, then I'm gonna die instantly. I a VIP,
Kaya lang yung mga bata. Kasi may ticket ka kasi family.
VIP. Nope, I'm not a VIP because I'm not a VIP. As you can see, what the I just
Laptop, may
captured.
gamit mo, laptop.
Hindi, desktop.
Eh, sabi desktop mo, desktop.
Slash time. Let's see. Time is
Nag-aakin.
slash time start.
Sabi ko nga, pagka ako tayong gagawin,
What the?
wala naman.
Time
Naku, kung pwede ba yun, pag napunta dyan eh. Kung ano eh, saan mapalakad natin?
time add
Yan, si...
slash time. Time and 20. You don't have permission to add the time. Oh, it's 1 minute left. What do we got? We have 4 minutes to go. That's actually not bad. Say hi to YouTube.
Puro ano tawag dito. Si Ate May. Talaga si Ate May, ayaw ko kung mga ano. Baka dalang punta pa ang pamarawan.
5. 5.
Eh, siya may tapos na. Tapos na.
5. 5. The hell?
Nabalitaan ba yung nasikat-sikat si Father?
Kill all VIPs. Slash mute. And I will go there. Run. Run. As you can see, I don't go into stuff the middle because I die when I go there. So I'm running already and I'm stuck here. So I'm gonna jump on it and it's lagging. Stop lagging! Oh no, I'm no longer invincible. And guys, sorry for the background sounds because I'm in my house, as you can see, and I'm not in a room, I'm in a living room. That's why this is stuff like that, some background sounds. And there's a furnace here. What the hell are this furnace doing there? Okay, gonna go to back here. There's some upstairs, I think. This door here. And we can go to this door here. Oh, there's a helicopter. Nice helicopter, man. Okay, can we go? Oh, secret chest. Oh, stone sword. That's very handy, I guess. Let's put our armor on. Guess that is more stuff. And some boots. Booties. Put on the boots, nigga. I'm not talking to the thing watching. I'm talking about the boots. That's really not a black thing. That's a golden one. So I shouldn't said that. Sorry guys. Sorry for saying that. Let's break this wool. Break the wool. Put some bread and steak there. So up. I can go to. I'm starting really good here. Jump. And I missed that. What the hell? I sure missed that. Jump. That jump is very easy. Why do I'm gonna go up there.
Pamilya lang, pamilya lang.
Just gonna go up there.
Yung mga labi dyan, sure.
And I can go up there. How the heck I'm gonna go up there? Ooh, tanks! Awesome. There's some tanks here. Do they got some chests in them? I think not. Cause we're gonna jump on that thing. I think we can jump on there. Maybe jump. There we go. Can go down here. Here. And we can. There's nothing there. Can we jump? Can we go? No, we can't. Because we can't, and we can jump here and bam. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, guys. That's how we do it. Is there any chest here? What? There isn't any chest. What the? This should. Oh, let's go to this tower here. Go to a tower. Let's go to the tower. Maybe some chests are waiting for us in here. And the chest has been refilled. I just found one chest. And I think I found two chests. One is in this way. We can go grab that chest and probably don't get killed. Because that would suck. And go back cause I'm gonna die. Go to the stuff. This stuff here. And go back here. Close the door so someone will not get in here. Or can go back here and check out this chest. Maybe something is very nice. Cooked chicken and some stuff. Okay, starting in 3 minutes. That's not bad actually. Why did I jump? Tell me, why did I jump? Maybe we could get into this building here. Maybe. Just said we can go to this building here. And we can check out these rooms. Nothing there. Nothing there and nothing. Oh, some things here. And some chests. I found some stone sword. Lots of stone sword. God. Lot of stone swords. Is that normal? I think stone swords are rarer than. I think it's rarer. Is that really rare? We got 2 minutes left. Oh yeah. Let's get something awesome here. Can we grab some stuff? I just saw a we can get here and go there. If I don't die in this, and this would be the best Hunger Games that I ever been, because every time I go into Hunger Games, I just die. I just die very quick. And maybe we're gonna die in the deathmatch. I'm probably gonna die in the deathmatch. I'm probably gonna die in the deathmatch. Jump in here. Get some damage. I think this is a CR here. Yeah, this is a comfort room. Maybe we can go. Yeah, I'm pooping. Is there any chest here? What is this? Is this the mirror? There's some wood in the mirror. That's hilarious. And the girls' room or the girls' section. There's some more here. We can poop again and poop again. Is there no chest here? There is no chest here. So we're gonna get out. And probably we're gonna die. We're gonna die in the deathmatch.
Sige, mahirap ka nang gumising ka.
I'm recording.
Gulong na, okay.
Wait.
Ala, kaya left na,
I'm gonna die. Just get some cake and eat the cake. Eat the cake and stuff. No, I'm gonna die. I'm just gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die in this death match. I'm gonna die in this death match. The cake. If I could really win here. Yes! I won! I won! I won! Oh my god, I really won that. Okay, so I won. I really won that. So that's for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all later.